This is me, 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐵𝐴 from grade 2, Sunkoshi.
Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐚𝐲𝐴 from grade 2 Tinau.
Today we are going to talk about capacity, which in standard unit, which is liter and milliliter.
Advik, do you think we can fit this water of bottle in this glass?
I think we could, but let's try first.
The water is floating and it cannot hold more now.
Hence, the bottle can hold more than the glass. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called its capacity.
Liter and milliliter are the standard unit for measuring capacity.
Anshu, as we know, liter is represented by L and milliliter is represented by ml.
Advik, don't forget to mention that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter.
And also there are certain standard measures used to measure the liquid which is approved by the government. This is 20 milliliter. This is 50 milliliter. This is 100 milliliter. This is 200 milliliter. This is 500 milliliter. This is 1000 milliliter.
I am so clear about capacity now. What about you?
Me too, Anshu.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is Advik signing off.
This is Anshu signing off. Bye bye. See you next time.